Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound in Hay Day. To turn off your sound settings on Hay Day, first of all, launch the Hay Day app open on your device and once you're in the game section, tap on the menu button at the top left. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Now, go ahead and select the music and the sound option both and tap on it. Right after you do that, you will then be able to turn off music and sound setting. If it is leveled as off, you have successfully switched off the music and sound setting within your Hay Day game. You can easily mute all the sounds and you can enjoy playing without audio distractions. So that's how you easily turn off the sound while playing Hay Day on your mobile device. Whether you prefer a quiet farming experience or are playing while listening to music or a podcast, you are all set up. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.